Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever looked at a $500,000 van and thought, wow, that thing better cook me breakfast, drive itself, and maybe even do my taxes? Well, let me introduce you to the Mothership 5, a camper van so advanced, so luxurious, and so mind-blowingly expensive that even your house might start feeling a little inadequate. This isn't just any Mercedes-Benz Sprinter conversion. This is the kind of van that makes other camper vans feel like they're still living in their parents' basement. Before we dive into this rolling penthouse on wheels, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It's free, unlike this van, and it helps us keep bringing you the wildest, most over-the-top vehicles out there. All right, let's talk about what makes the Mothership 5 worth its jaw-dropping $499,000 price tag. Built on a 2023 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 XD 170 EXT AWD chassis, this beast is not just about good looks. It's rugged enough for off-road adventures, but still fancy enough to make a luxury yacht jealous. But the real magic happens inside. Step in, and you're greeted by a lounge that seats 8, because apparently this van also doubles as a mobile boardroom. 2 inward-facing benches with hidden storage surround an adjustable leg and table, perfect for dining, working, or plotting your next adventure. The kitchen? Oh, it's not just a kitchen, it's a gourmet dream. It features a dual-sided layout with an induction cooktop that is literally invisible. Now, let's talk sleeping arrangements. This van comfortably sleeps 6 with an elevator queen-size bed on a Happijack system, a secondary double bed in a Roofnest tent, and a convertible lounge bed. But here's where things get truly insane. The bathroom at the rear isn't just a bathroom, it's a full-on steam room. Imagine coming back from a long day of off-road exploration, stepping into a personal spa, and letting the stress of your incredibly difficult van life existence just melt away. And let's not forget about power. The Mothership 5 is practically a small power plant on wheels. A 12 kilowatt-hour battery bank, a 360-watt solar array, an 8,000-watt auxiliary alternator, a 6,500-watt inverter/charger, and a DC-DC primary alternator charger. This thing could probably power a small village. You also get Starlink connectivity, a 27-inch 4K TV, and a Cruise and Comfort 13K BTU air conditioner. Because why rough it when you can glamp at the highest level? So, if you're curious to see more, check out the link under the video, and before you go, consider becoming a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's less than a gas station coffee, and unlike this van, it won't drain your life savings. Sponsorship link is in the description. Just don't try to store it in the Mothership 5, because let's be honest, it's already full of luxury.